The Lion and the Fox Story. Once upon a time, a lion was growing old and weak. He found it hard to hunt and catch food, so he came up with a clever plan. The lion pretended to be sick and stayed inside the cave. When the animals passed by to check on him, he would invite them inside. As soon as they entered, the lion pounced and ate them. One day, a wise fox came to visit the lion. Standing outside the cave, the fox said, "How are you feeling, lion?" The lion replied in a weak voice, "I am very sick. Please come in and see me." The fox was clever and noticed something unusual. He saw many footprints going into the cave, but none coming out. The fox understood the lion's trick. The fox said, "I'd love to visit you, but I see that everyone who enters your cave never comes back out. I'll stay safe out here." The lion realized he had been oversmarted and stayed hungry that day. Moral: think carefully and stay alert. Don't fall for tricks. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.